All right, so what's up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. So the girls and I are about to get dressed to go take their Easter photos, and I'm a little bit behind time right now, but I did want to go ahead and vlog this experience. I still have to do their hair and everything, and we have like less than 30 minutes. So yeah, I already got myself dressed. I'm wearing this white shirt and some jean shorts. I know my foundation is not matching my skin right now, and that's just because I'm in between foundations. I have like so many different samples. I'm still trying to find like the perfect match for me. So yeah, please don't comment if you notice that my foundation isn't really matching me, okay? I put on some jewelry, some earrings. I'm not gonna do a necklace today because I feel like with this mock neck, I just don't even need a necklace. These are the shoes. All right, so you gonna do your hair first? You ready to do your hair? Are you excited to see the Easter bunny, little baby? Are you excited to see the Easter bunny? Yeah. Water? Hey. Isla. Here you go. We're here. Are you excited? Easter is only about 4 days away now. I'm just now getting around to making the girls Easter baskets. I'm very last minute this year, but I feel like the stores should still have a bunch of things for me to choose from to put in their baskets. It's so weird how some holidays I'm just like on top of everything and getting stuff done early, but then other holidays I'm just like so behind. Like for Valentine's Day, I had their gift baskets done like 2 weeks in advance, and now here I am 4 days before Easter and I don't have anything. But in my defense, I have been a little bit under the weather. Like you can probably kind of hear it in my voice a little bit. Well, I think it's just like a cold mixed with seasonal allergies because my nose has just been so runny and I've just been sneezing for the last 2-3 days. Houston traffic is just so crazy. Look at this. The light is green, but of course all these cars are still going. They're literally just running this light. So I just parked at my first stop, which is H-E-B. So the other day when I was in here, I saw some Easter baskets that I really liked. So if they still have them, I'm probably gonna go ahead and just get those. I did look at Target, Walmart, and Michael's, and I just didn't see ones that I liked more than these ones at H-E-B. I'm really just sitting here contemplating whether or not I want to go in here because it's just like super packed right now. Every time I come to H-E-B, it's just like super packed, and I just don't even feel like being around too many people right now, especially since I'm feeling like a little bit under the weather. I forgot to bring a mask, but I have my hand sanitizer, so. All right, so I'm back home now, so let's do a quick H-E-B haul while I'm still sitting in my driveway, because if I go inside, it's gonna be too noisy. I don't want the girls to potentially see their gifts because you know the Easter bunny is the one who got these gifts, not me. All right, so this is all of the Easter stuff that I got. I got these cute pink baskets. I just love these. Like, I just think that they're so cute. And then I got a few items to go in the baskets. They're in their lip gloss phase right now, so I got them some lip gloss, and I'm just gonna open this and put it inside some Easter eggs. And then I got these cute little bunnies that are filled with tattoos, unicorn tattoos. And then I got these two little chocolate bunnies. love how tiny these are because I wanted them to have some chocolate bunnies, but I didn't want them to have like the big old bunnies because they don't need all that chocolate. So these are like the perfect little size. So that's all that I got right now. I'm gonna get everything else from Target because I have some Target coupons that I need to use. And I'm probably not gonna go to Target until tomorrow after work. So see you then. Alright, so I just got back from Target, so I'm gonna do a little mini haul. I spent like $170, but it was the best $170 I've ever spent in my life because I'm so excited about all of the stuff that I got. Surprisingly, I didn't get anything for myself, so let's get into it. So for the girls' Easter baskets, I got these little bunny marshmallows. Nova really loves marshmallows. Isla not so much. I did get 2 of these, one for each of them. And then I got them some books. This one's gonna be for Nova, How to Catch the Easter Bunny. And this one is for Isla. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's not just like flat. It kind of like goes in. I thought that was really nice, and Isla will enjoy like playing with this and flipping through all the pages. And then I got them some bubble guns. These were only $5, and I got one for each of them. Some candy for Nova's Easter basket. I know a lot of moms are like against candy, but I'm not, because I feel like most of my childhood memories of Easter, I was most excited about the candy, and they're not really gonna have that much sugar in their Easter baskets overall. So I got this for Isla because she's really into butterflies right now, so she can paint her own. So the last thing I got for their Easter baskets is this little mini Easter basket. So I got this for Nova. I think I'm just gonna like open it up and take everything out to put in her Easter basket. And then the last thing I got today at Target is just some sidewalk chalk. This isn't for Easter per se. This is really just for them to use whenever they're in the backyard. So we have this slab of concrete in our backyard. And usually when we go to sit outside, I just like bring a bunch of their toys outside. Now they'll have this actual chalk to play with, and they could just like draw and have fun. And then this is a whole bag full of the clothes that I got them. Mainly for Isla. I think I got Nova like 1 or 2 pieces, but Isla is of course growing so fast right now. She can't really fit 12 months anymore, so I had to get a bunch of 18-month sizes. And usually when I go to Target, I don't see like a lot of cute stuff for Isla's size, but today they had so much cute stuff, so I'm gonna show you. I have about 20 minutes, I would say, before the girls wake up. So I'm gonna try to get their Easter baskets together and hide them away in the storage closet. The only thing I haven't shown you yet is these rain boots. They were delivered yesterday from Amazon. They light up, and I thought those were just so cute. So I got both the girls a pair of those. So these Easter eggs are from last year. I had a few packs of these away in storage, so I brought those out. Then this green paper I have, and the purple. So this is that pre-made Easter basket that I bought. I didn't end up using all of the little DIY items that was in here. It still has this notepad, some some markers, and some more stuff. And I'll just give her all this stuff like on another day whenever she wants to like write or do some crafty stuff. And for Isla's Arts and Crafts, I just put one of her butterflies in there with her paint. She still has 2 more butterflies in the package over there, which I'll give to her at a later date. And I still have these eggs left over, which I might go back and get like some more candy or something to fill these eggs and put like more eggs in each one, because I feel like the one egg is just kind of boring. The girls are waking up for their breakfast now, so I'm going to go ahead and put these away in the storage closet and start breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Easter Sunday.